Hello teacher, I decided to do this activity by myself because I work daily and I cannot find any time to do this with a partner. In addition, I don't know any classmates, to be honest. Okay, what time you get up daily? I get up at 6 a.m. What time do you go to work? I go to work at 7:30 a.m. How many meals do you eat daily? I eat 4 meals a day. How many hours do you study? I study 4 hours. Now I continue with my questions and present continuous. Are you studying for the English test? Yes, I am. Are you nervous doing this activity? Yes, I am. What program are you watching on TV right now? I am watching Yo Me Llamo. Are you reading a book at this moment? No, I am not. Are you going on vacation somewhere? Yes, I am going to Bogota. Eso, thank you.